That was great! I mean, that was great.
I know.
Huh?
Moo!
Who's this Diesel talking to the cows?
That's not Diesel. That's Dr. Diesel. Supervillain.
Moo!
Really? It looks just like... Oh!
Who's there?
And he stopped right by the switch where we need to shift onto the track to the lighthouse. You lure him away while I shift the switch.
You can count on me, Agent Number 1.
Moo.
Who's there?
Moo.
Oh, just some more cows.
Oink, oink.
Just some pigs.
Gonna need to get past this squeak. Wish I had some grease or super slippery glue. It worked.
Huh?
Moo.
What? Cows are the best.